number 4, Clifford Lumasak, John Louis Farinas, and Robert Magaluna. Surfers out there, please wait. We're still locking in on the final heat score. We'll let you guys know. Here we go, heat number 4. That's it. Here we go. Let's start this heat in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, surfer in yellow. Leonard Alameda from Siargao moving on to the quarterfinals. Together with you, Eduardo Alpiso, also from Siargao. With that last wave, he got another nail biter. Congratulations, surfer in white. Moving on to the quarterfinals. Now, let's focus on this heat. This will be the last heat for round of 12. Men's open shortboard out of the water. Surfer in red, Clifford Lumasak. Surfer in white, John Louis Farinas, and surfer in yellow, Robert Magaluna. It's already opened up with one wave for surfer in red. 20-minute heat. Here we go. This heat, we have surfer from Baler, surfer from Zambales, and surfer from Siargao. Trying to put them in the quarters. Whoever wins this heat, the first and the second winner will be moving on to the quarterfinals. Surfer in red, first wave of 3.0. Surfer in red, a 3.0 on your first opening wave. A lot of time left. Surfer in white from Zambales. Loving that bun. At the back, a big wave set. Surfer in yellow from Siargao. Big hack on his first turn. Roundhouse cut back with a rebound on the wide water. And again, here we go. Still looking at this wave, trying to finish it nicely right in front of the shallow rocks right there. Good decision. And surfer in yellow, Robert Magaluna. Pretty shallow right there. Everyone contributed already with one wave each, with 17 minutes and 20 seconds still remaining for heat number 4, last heat for round of 12. After this, we're looking at the quarterfinals, even the semifinals for today. We will see if the director will call it. Director's calls, contest director, ladies, get ready for your semifinal heat. Stand by, ladies. Semifinal heat on shortboard. Semifinals, Women's Open. Dayan Enogalo, Shalame Arjona, and Junalyn Badyang. Surfers from Siargao and all right, so second wave for surfer in red, a 2.95, improving his score to a total of 5.95, currently sitting in first. Surfer in yellow and surfer in white get to offer their second one. For sure, Ryan Vigo Gapas, shout out to the kitchen staff of Zephyr Cafe and Ikani Beach Resort. Thank you guys for taking taking care of all our judges, the staff. Surfer in red scratching on this one, looking at it, taking it. Now up and riding. Surfer in red, vertical on that one. Critical point of the wave. Back on power part of this wave. Smaller set for Surfer in red. Just getting busy for Surfer in red. He knows he's in third priority. I think that's a good technique while you're in third. Yellow now. Surfer in white giving this wave to Surfer in yellow, who is second priority. Big back on that one. Too much of a turn. Looking good on the bottom turn, which is unfortunately falling off the lip. Surfer in white at the back, looking at this one, scratching. Now up and riding. Surfer in white, a big wall. Decided to go with a floater and kicking it out. Surfer in red, last wave of 3.25. 3.25, improving your score to a 6.25 total. You're currently sitting in first place, followed by Surfer in yellow. Look at this, guys. Look at that beauty. Someone commented that they're heading here at Pagudpud next week. You guys are missing it. Head here right now. We're not sure about next week, but you're missing it. Good. $13 minutes. Time remaining 13 minutes. Yellow, you have first priority. Yellow, you have first priority. 12 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Currently in second place, Surfer in yellow. Robert Magalona from Siargao with a 5.25 score on his first wave, trying to replace a backup score of only a 0.75. You only need a 1.0 Surfer in white to move up in first place. With 12 minutes and 20 seconds still remaining in our clock. Shout out to Larnie Smith. Thank you guys for watching. And Reno C. Tolentino. Go Clifford. Some of you guys, I know you're at home pretty excited off the seat, knowing that you have your local surfer out there. They might not be able to hear you shouting while you're there, but let me know. I'll shout it out for you guys so they will know you're supporting your surfers in the lineup. Shout out to Lance. Thank you for watching, Lance. Let me know who you're supporting in the lineup. 11 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 11 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Yellow, still in first priority, yellow. Trying to replace a backup score of 0.75. You only need 1.0. No doubt. That is so easy for you, buddy. Movement out there, Surfer in white, getting this wave. Backside hack. Rafael is watching and he's with some Dallas people. He's saying, go John Louis Farinas. Jerry R. Esquivel watching.